We looked at the actors involved in the payment of the contractor in the last video. Now let's look at an example of a payment, just in theory. Here we have the S-curve of an arbitrary project. And you can see the contract value is 1 million RMB, or it could be dollars or krona. And the handover date here is represented here on the x-axis. And let's look at the first month's payment. At the end of the first month, the contractor reckons he's done 200,000 worth of work. And if everything is all right, if the architects check it out and it's okay, then he will be paid 200,000. So looking up here, the first payment is 200,000. At the end of the second month, the contractor sends out an interim certificate for 400,000. The architects say, okay, 400,000 is fair, and he has 400,000 here minus the cumulative value of the previous payment. So 400,000 minus 200,000 is equals to 200,000. So the second payment is 200,000. In the third month, at the end of the third month, the value of work done is reckoned to be 700,000. So if everything is all right, 700,000 is the payment minus the previous month's payments, i.e., in other words, 200,000 and 200,000, that's 400,000. So 700,000 minus 400,000 gives 300,000. So the payment for the third month is 300,000. In the fourth month, the value of work done is 850. So it's 850 minus the previous month's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 850 minus 700,000, the payment is 150,000 for the fourth month, which is up here. In the fifth month here, the cumulative value of work done is 950,000. The previous months here are added together, and that gives 850. So 950 minus 850 is 100,000. So the fifth month payment to the contractor is 100,000. And the final payment is at the end of the project. The project is now being handed over to the client, and the client and the contractor and the architect will go through the building at the handing over procedure to see if there are any defects in the building. If there are any defects in the building, the contractor will be given a 14-day period to rectify these defects and make them good, and then a payment will be made as the final payment. The final payment is the cumulative value of 100,000 minus the previous month's payments, and they sum up to 950,000. So the final month's payment is 50,000. And here you can see the 50,000. And these added together give you the 100,000, which is the value of the contract.